Ancient civilizations of Anatolia. Chapter 4. The Lydians. A simple history for English learners. A 1. Where do the Lydians live? The Lydians lived in western Anatolia. Their capital city was Sardes. They were famous traders. They invented the first metal money. Lydia became a rich kingdom. The Persians conquered Lydia around 546 BCE. Their money system changed history. The Lydians lived in western Anatolia. Their land was good for farming and trade. Many roads passed through Lydia. Important trade routes passed through Lydia. Merchants traveled across Anatolia. This made Lydia an important center. The Lydians were great traders. They sold goods to many lands. Trade made the kingdom rich. The Lydians created metal coins. People used coins to buy and sell goods. Trade became easier and faster. Before coins, people exchanged goods. This system was difficult. Coins made trade simpler. The most famous king was Croesus. He was known for great wealth. People still remember his riches. People worked in trade and farming. Cities were active and crowded. Life was connected to commerce. Around 546 BCE, the Persians attacked. The Lydian army could not stop them. The kingdom soon ended. The Lydians changed world trade. Coins spread to many civilizations. Money is still used today. Now it is your turn. Which civilization invented metal money? What was the capital city of Lydia? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.